All right, so now I have all of my images edited the way I would like them to be. So I want to put everything together. So I'm going to create new, a little bit different than what we have been doing. I'm going to have you go to print. And the first one right here, which is a letter, so 8.5 by 11, because we want to be able to print these off in class. It's going to give you a portrait orientation, meaning that the longest side is vertical. We want to switch that around, more than likely. What you're spelling out might be better suited for the other orientation, but again, if you need that, you're going to go over here, edit, transform. It doesn't matter if you're going clockwise or counterclockwise, just as long as that's the first step you take. So you're going to go over to the plus sign, right? Image. You should have everything saved already in your edits folder. So I honestly like this H better, so I'm going to put this here. Click. Go back to the plus sign, image. My next letter is O. Double click that. And you'll notice that some lines start to appear. When you see that green line, it means that it is in sync with one another. So when you zoom in, those two images are just lined up perfectly. As you are adding layers, all of these should be the same size unless you have one layer or letter, oh goodness sakes, that you flipped around. And in which case you are going to match to the bottom. It obviously won't match to the top, and that's okay. I think it will still read. And then my last letter is E. So I have my format. I'm going to try to put it in the center. You see those pink lines? It's telling you that it is horizontally even with the composition. I want to get an X, hopefully. There. Or a plus sign, I should say. That means that it is perfectly in the center. So all of my letters are together. It looks good. I'm going to go over here to save. It's going to recommend a PNG, and I think that is the way to go. So save as a PNG, which means that all this checkered area will be translucent. Save as. We'll use the name or the phrase, save, and there you have it.